My late husband, Dr. Tutera, actually developed the products that we use today, and I'm very proud to continue on with his legacy. The hair repair formula is one of my favorite products because during COVID, I really had a hard time, not only with stress like everybody else did, but I found my hair was falling out, it was not growing, and I thought, what better time to have my hair grow than during COVID when you couldn't get to a salon. So I started back on the hair repair, and I noticed that not only was my hair growing, but my nails as well, and I was very impressed. He developed this product because at one point we were able to see right through his scalp, and I looked at him and said, oh my God, what's going on up there? This is an Italian guy who had a beautiful head of hair, and he developed this product actually for himself. After about 6 months, his hair filled in so nicely that he said, that's it, we've got to put this one on the market. But I don't think he really realized what a wonderful product that this truly is and has become. From that product, I developed our shampoo and conditioner. We took some of the product outside of hair repair, the important ingredients, and put that into the shampoo and conditioner. And I've seen such a difference in my hair. Even my hairstylist said to me the other day, you've got sprouts all over your head. I've never seen anything like this before. I said, I know why. So I'm really proud of our product. We had it third-party tested. Excellent results for growth and thickening, up in the high 80 percentile, low 90%. And we carry that product in-house and supply it all over the United States. Very happy with it. The health and wellness product was developed when we were living in Rancho Mirage, California. There was a cancer clinic down on the first floor. We were officed on the second. He had some of these patients come in to see him, being an OB-GYN, and he realized the importance of not only helping the cancer patients feel better, but those who were under a tremendous amount of stress with Epstein-Barr symptoms. So he developed the health and wellness for them. And the DIM finally came to pass when we were working with pellet therapy. A lot of women were complaining about breast issues. So he worked with his favorite chemist and came up with DIM to help with women who had breast issues while they were having their hormones revitalized and basically feeling much better on the inside.